Hey everyone, it's Maryempower here. And listen, are you tired of that 9 to 5 grind? Do you dream of being your own boss and having financial freedom? Well, guess what? The future is here and it's powered by AI. In this video, I'm spilling all the tea on 6 incredible AI side hustles that require absolutely no experience. That's right, you don't need to be a tech whiz or coding genius to make money with these tools. We're talking easy to use platforms that do the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're passionate about writing, music, or creating stunning visuals, there's an AI side hustle out there for you. We'll explore how to leverage these tools to create professional quality products and services that people will actually pay for. So if you're ready to unlock your earning potential and join the AI revolution, buckle up and get ready for some serious inspiration. Let's dive in. First up, we have DeepSeek AI, your new secret weapon for becoming a published author. Ever dreamed of writing your own ebook but felt overwhelmed by the research and writing process? Well, DeepSeek AI is here to make those dreams a reality. Think of DeepSeek AI as your personal research assistant on steroids. You give it a topic like productivity hacks, healthy living tips, or even financial advice, and it scours the internet for the most relevant and accurate information. But it doesn't stop there. DeepSeek AI then takes all that juicy information and structures it into a well-written, engaging ebook. It's like having a ghostwriter and editor all rolled into one. You can even customize the tone and style to match your personal brand. Now, once your masterpiece is ready, it's time to share it with the world. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website are perfect for selling your ebook. And trust me, people are hungry for valuable information, so get ready to rake in those sales. Speaking of selling, let's talk about maximizing your earning potential as an ebook author. One word: branding. Creating a strong brand identity can make all the difference in attracting customers and building a loyal following. Think about it. Would you rather buy an ebook from a random seller or from someone who has a professional website, a catchy logo, and a clear brand message? Exactly. That's why investing in a domain name for your ebook store is crucial. Having your own domain name instantly boosts your credibility and makes you look like the real deal. Plus, it gives you a platform to showcase your ebooks, connect with your audience, and even offer additional services like coaching or consulting. So don't sleep on the power of branding. It's the secret sauce to turning your ebook side hustle into a thriving online business. And with DeepSeek AI by your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve. All right, moving on to our next AI powerhouse, Gamma AI. This tool is a game changer for anyone who needs to create professional presentations, documents, or even web pages. And the best part, you don't need any design skills whatsoever. Gamma AI takes the pain out of creating visually appealing content. Simply input a prompt like create a presentation about the benefits of yoga and watch in amazement as Gamma AI generates a stunning presentation complete with images, text, and even animations. No more spending hours fiddling with PowerPoint or struggling with design software. Gamma AI does it all for you, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what really matters, delivering killer presentations. This tool is a goldmine for freelancers offering presentation services, educators developing course materials, or anyone who needs to communicate information in a clear and engaging way. And trust me, the demand for high quality presentations is only going to increase in our digital world. Now, let's talk about how to monetize your newfound presentation skills with Gamma AI. One lucrative avenue is offering your services as a freelance presentation designer. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are teaming with businesses and individuals looking for help creating professional presentations. With Gamma AI, you can confidently take on these projects and deliver exceptional results in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. This means you can take on more clients and boost your earning potential, but it doesn't stop there. You can also use Gamma AI to create engaging marketing materials for your own business, develop online courses, or even offer workshops teaching others how to use this powerful tool. The possibilities are truly endless with Gamma AI. So unleash your creativity, wow your clients, and watch your income soar. Hey, my ambitious friends, let's talk about turning your passions into profits. You know, I'm all about empowering you to build a fulfilling life, and sometimes that means tapping into your creative side. Have you ever thought about content creation? It's a booming field, and with the right tools, you can make your mark even as a beginner. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Maryempower, I'm not a writer. Listen, neither am I. Okay, maybe a little, but that's not the point. The point is, with AI by our side, we don't have to be Shakespeare to craft compelling content. That's where Notebook LM swoops in to save the day. This AI-powered research assistant is like having a team of expert researchers and writers at your fingertips, ready to help you brainstorm, organize, and even generate high-quality content. Imagine effortlessly creating captivating blog posts, informative newsletters, or even comprehensive study guides without spending hours on research and drafting. And the best part, Notebook LM seamlessly integrates with various sources, so you can pull information from across the web and beyond. It's like having a superpowered research assistant who can synthesize information and present it in a clear, concise, and engaging way. So you can focus on what matters most, sharing your unique voice and expertise with the world. Now, let's talk about turning those words into cash. Because who doesn't love a little extra income, right? The demand for high-quality content is huge. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for engaging blog posts, captivating website copy, and informative articles to connect with their audience. That's where you come in, my friend. With Notebook LM by your side, you can offer your content creation services to businesses of all sizes, from crafting compelling social media captions to writing in-depth ebooks. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is you can set your own rates and work from anywhere in the world. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and earning an income, doing something you genuinely enjoy. And it gets even better. As you build your portfolio and gain more experience, you can start charging premium rates for your services. You can even niche down and specialize in a specific industry or type of content, becoming the go-to expert in your field. The sky's the limit. So, are you ready to unleash your inner wordsmith and start building a successful content creation business? With Notebook LM, you have all the tools you need to succeed, even if you're starting with zero experience. Remember, my loves, success comes to those who dare to try. So take that leap of faith and watch your dreams take flight. All right, my tech-savvy trailblazers. Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI and explore how you can leverage its power to create innovative interactive tools. Google AI Studio makes AI accessible, even if you've never coded. Build AI-powered applications easily with its user-friendly interface. Create custom AI interactions for education, business, and more. No coding skills needed, just drag and drop. Now, let's talk about turning your AI creations into a source of income, because who doesn't love a little extra cash flow? The demand for AI-powered tools is skyrocketing, and businesses across various industries are eager to incorporate these innovative solutions into their operations. This is where your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit come into play. You can monetize your AI-powered tools through various avenues, such as offering subscription-based access, charging one-time fees for premium features, or even partnering with businesses to develop custom solutions. Imagine creating personalized AI assistants for busy professionals, developing engaging educational games for children, or even building virtual companions for the elderly. And it gets even better. As you gain more experience and build a reputation for creating high-quality AI tools, you can start charging premium prices for your services. You can even specialize in a specific niche, becoming the go-to expert for AI-powered solutions in your chosen field. So, are you ready to unleash your inner tech innovator and embark on an exciting journey into the world of AI? With Google AI Studio, you have all the tools you need to build incredible interactive experiences, even if you're a complete beginner. Remember, my loves, the future belongs to those who dare to imagine. So let your creativity soar and watch as you transform the world, one AI interaction at a time. Hey loves, we are back with another exciting AI side hustle that could have you making money online like yesterday. And this one is for all my music lovers out there. Ever thought of composing your own songs? Well, guess what? Now you don't need to be a Mozart to make beautiful music, because there's an AI for that. And that, my friends, is where Suno AI comes in. Suno AI is like having a whole recording studio right at your fingertips. Suno AI lets you generate completely original music just by giving it some text prompts. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Mary, AI generated music? Is that even good? Oh honey, trust me on this one. Suno AI isn't just some robotic music maker churning out generic tunes. It uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to create high-quality, unique music that sounds like it was crafted by a real live musician. You can create everything from catchy pop anthems to soulful ballads to upbeat dance tracks. Oh, the possibilities are limitless. And the best part is you don't need any prior musical experience to use it. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, Suno AI makes it super simple to bring your musical visions to life. So, if you've always dreamed of creating your own music, now's the time to unleash your inner Beethoven, because with Suno AI, the only limit is your imagination. Let's talk about turning your AI-powered tunes into cash. You can monetize your Suno AI creations and build a side hustle. Explore personalized songs or licensing your music. Personalized songs make unique gifts. Think birthdays, weddings, and more. Offer your services on Fiverr or Etsy, or license your music for passive income. Upload to sites like Envato Elements. Earn royalties every time someone uses your music. Imagine your track in a viral video. The money keeps rolling in. Build your music empire with AI. So, what are you waiting for? Hold on to your hats, loves. We're diving into video production with an AI twist. Imagine creating professional quality videos effortlessly with InVideo AI. It's like having a Hollywood studio at your fingertips. No more complicated, time-consuming editing. InVideo AI democratizes video creation for everyone. Combine Suno AI-generated music with stunning visuals for an immersive experience. Let's talk about how Suno AI and InVideo AI can transform you from a beginner into a video maestro. The learning curve is smoother than ever. InVideo AI offers tutorials and resources to guide you, learn at your own pace, and master the platform. Combine Suno AI's music with InVideo AI's editing. Create impactful music videos without prior experience. InVideo AI makes the process intuitive and user-friendly. Enhance your content or offer video creation services. Suno AI and InVideo AI are your secret weapons to video making success. And there you have it, my loves. 6 incredible AI side hustles that prove you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to start building your dream life. From crafting captivating ebooks to composing your own music to producing professional quality videos. The possibilities are truly limitless in this exciting new world of AI. Remember, the key is to embrace the power of AI, not fear it. These tools are here to empower you, to amplify your creativity, and to help you achieve financial freedom on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI, explore these side hustles, and watch as you unlock a world of opportunities you never thought possible. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and click like below. Thanks for watching.